Hey kids, what's up? I'm Michael Kent, and this is Rhubarb. Rhubarb looks like she just woke up. That's just the way she looks.
I'm 14 years old and my kidneys don't work.
She's very old. That's 98 in dog years. This is my 98-year-old puppy. This is what you are going to learn how to do. We got a piece of paper and a dollar bill, and we're going to wrap the bill around the paper. And then we're just going to fold it. A pencil with a dangerously sharp point. That's dull. It doesn't matter. It just needs to be able to go through paper. Look at that. It goes through the bill and the paper. Pull it all the way through. Look at the hole. There's a hole. Here's the cool part. There's no hole in the dollar bill. There's a hole in the paper. I can see ya. There's a hole in the paper. There is no hole in the $1 bill. What do you think about that, Rhubarb?
That's amazing.
Her voice changed. I'm 98 years old and I don't know how you did that. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. You need some items. First of all, you need a pencil or a pen. Doesn't have to be super sharp. It just has to be sharp enough to tear through paper. Then you need a piece of paper, about yay big. And then you need some paper currency, any denomination, any nationality. Finally, you need a 98-year-old little puppy dog.
I'm 98 and
What's over there? Here's how it works. Here's what you're gonna do. The paper just has to be the right size so that you can fold the bill around it like that with a space. This space is important because that is where your pencil is going to end up going. Now you're going to fold it. It's important the way that you fold it. You do not want to fold it like this. If you fold it like this, you're going to tear your money, which is not a big deal. It's a tiny little hole. I don't know why this is so amazing. Okay, no, this is an incredible magical trick with a huge risk factor. You're going to fold with the money in the middle and the gap on the outside. So when you're looking at it, it looks the same from both sides, and what you're looking at is this little stripe. You want this area, this gap between the bill. Okay, so again, you wrap the money around the paper, and then you fold it with the money in the middle like that. Here's what the audience sees. They see you put the pencil in here, and they assume that you're going straight through here, and then it comes out the bottom right there. But here's what you really do. This is the secret part. You don't go here. When you put the pencil in, well, this is the exposed view. You wouldn't do it like this. You're gonna do it like this. When you put the pencil in, you're going between the paper and the bill. You can do it on this side, or you can do it up here on this side. It doesn't matter which side you go, but you're gonna go to one of the sides between the paper and the money. Okay, you see that? So it's like this. You go between the paper and the money, and then you push it through, and it looks like it's going through both, but really, it's only going through the paper. If I were to open it right now, you can see what's happening, right? It's not really going through the bill. And then you say, oh my gosh, it's going through. We're going to be poor! What do you think about being poor, Rhubarb?
I'm a canine. I don't operate on any sort of financial system. I depend on you.
So, we're here, and you pull it through, and you can offer the pencil for examination, but why would you do that? It's just a pencil. Then, I like to unfold it this way, so that the torn part, the paper, is toward them. So they see that, and they can see the hole, right? Because then you can unfold it, and they see this hole, and they assume there's going to be a hole in the bill. And then you show there is no hole to the bill. You can show them the hole in the paper. There's no hole in the bill. And then you hand them the bill, and you say, you know what? I blew your mind so much, I owe you $1. But Rhubarb says that's a dumb trick because the paper is obscuring everything. It's not dumb. They're going to be fooled. But in case you want it, Rhubarb, who's acting, because you're not here, she's acting as you right now. If you were here, she's going to say what you would say if you were in my basement. What? Can you do it without the paper? All of a sudden, her voice changed again. Can you do that without the... Oh, sweetie, she's 14. We can do it without the paper. Let's fold the bill. Watch this. All right, one more time in slow motion. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, please click subscribe right here. There's a thing you can click subscribe and you can watch all my videos. And every Tuesday night, I do a live at 9 p.m. Eastern. We do a live show called Joke Story Trick. You should watch. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.